Whoops, sorry guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, hit that subscribe button and turn notification and give us a thumbs up. And so you never miss our new videos. So today we are going to be seeing what's inside the slime. I put some weird stuff in there, but I just wanted to do it with you guys, some fun stuff. I'm bored. I just got back from my cousin's. Yeah, we had some chili and stuff. So, yeah. I gotta put this up, guys. Okay, guys, let me shut my TV off. Okay, guys, so it didn't really work. So, okay, guys. You can barely see me, so I'll put the slime up close. Let me get a chair first. I use this as a chair for this table. Okay, guys, let's see what's inside the slime. Oh, I feel something really hard. Even though I put it somewhere. Ooh, that hurt. Okay, guys. So it looks like this. Let me see, guys. See? Now it has slime all over it. This is my mom's. I asked her if I could do it with this. I don't know what that is, but that's the stuff right there that I found. Oh, something right here. It looks like a magnet, well, like a thing for like a whiteboard. Well, yeah, it is. To hitch on stuff. Oh, I feel something else. What? How did actually this get in here? I didn't put this in there. Guys, I pinky promised I didn't put this in there. Guys, pinky promise me. Slime in it now. Whatever. So that's the things that we have gotten down so far. Up here's just the glitter. Oh, wait guys, I'm gonna do it like an oyster. So guys, I see something. It's red. Show it up close. You know, it's slime. So I got a ball. Let's see here. Oh, I feel something else. Oh, I think this is, wait, let me see, guys. Yep, this is a Lego piece. I love Legos. See, guys, I have a collecting thing of Legos right there. And guys, I did henna, and henna. Well, you guys can't really see, but there's henna on my leg. Oh, that's just glitter. Guys, if you see something, let me know in the comments down below. And guys, my mom had surgery, so she's in a lot of pain. I thought I put something else in here. Oh, right here. It looks like it's a pencil thing. See? guys. It's a pencil thing. Guys, I'll see you in a minute. I'm going to put some balls in here and act like it's an oyster. Okay, guys, so I got the balls in. So, let's take this stuff off. Okay, guys. So I feel something. Wow, it looks like it's really gooey, guys. So it looks like it's not green. I think it's yellow. Yep, it's yellow. And guys, I put these in here just for fun. So it looks like it's an emoji. And Lexi, if you're watching this, I love you. And I love you, all you guys who give me all likes and stuff. Oop, there's a hair in here. Okay guys, so it looks like I found another one. It's an emoji one. Guys, I think I'm going to stop here because I'm kind of getting tired and it's nighttime. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to thumbs up, subscribe. Bye!